Hello. Welcome to the second lecture of Java programming. Today we're going to see the architecture of Java. I've posted a link that describes more detail of the architecture of Java while we are writing Java code. As a Java learner, after using any IDE you like for Java, you are going to open the NetBeans or Eclipse, whatever you like, that you are going to be familiar with. You are going to write Java code. This is what we call it source code. Then by using a compiler, you are going to compile the Java code and it will generate for you a bytecode. This bytecode have an extension of .class file. This compiled file that we call it bytecode is executed by the help of Java virtual machine on Java runtime environments. They're going to be interpreted one by one. So Java virtual machine interprets each and every code that is compiled and given to it, and we're going to run on every machine, on every environment that you prefer. This is the procedure how the source code written by one programmer gonna to be executed on every machine of that person needs. The other part is the components of Java architecture. Java architecture mostly consists of Java runtime environments, Java virtual machine, which is included with library classes and development tools. These are all the components of Java architecture. The first one is Java runtime environment. The second one is Java virtual machine. The third one is library classes in Java. The fourth one, development tools. All these parts majorly builds a Java architecture. When we come to each specific part, JDK, Java Development Kit, is a combination of Java runtime environment and the development tools. When it comes to Java runtime environment, JRE, it is a combination of Java virtual machine and the library classes. Due to these parts, we are going to develop a strong Java program. When you define each of them, JDK is a software layer above JRE that contains compiler, a debugger, and other tools commonly found in software development environments that used to write code in English-like syntax. It compiles and passes the bytecode into the Java runtime environment to be executed. The second part is Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment contains class libraries, supporting files, and the Java virtual machine. It uses this software components to run the bytecode on any device. The third type is Java virtual machine. As the name indicates, it is virtually available machine for Java that help to be executed. So Java virtual machine is a software that runs the Java program one by one. That's why we are saying that Java virtual machine is an interpreter. It's gonna to execute each code line by line. So this Java virtual machine has its own components. Its main function is categorized into 6. The first one, it loads the classes, the bytecodes. Secondly, it runs the data, finally executing. In the loading of those classes, mainly it loads, linking and initialize going to be integrated and processed on the file directly as a class loader subsystem. The second category is as runtime data area. In the runtime, what will happen? It considers the method areas, the heap areas, stack areas, program counter register, native method stack. Those are what we call, they are the runtime data areas. So it's going to check every Java code whether they are correct or not at runtime, at the runtime. That's why they are the part of Java virtual machine that takes them to be executed on a very machine that we are talking about. The last main component of Java virtual machine is execution of the Java. In the execution part, it mainly categorized into 3 parts. Execution engines, consists interpreter, jet compiler, garbage collector. This is directly linked with native method interface, Java native interfaces, which is directly integrated and combined with native method library that is built in and automatically generate a number of codes that is integrated in Java. These are mainly the component of Java virtual machine that help the learners, the developers to understand easily how Java become a Java platform independent. These are the main points that makes Java to be Java platform. Another point, I hope that you understand the concept that we discussed today. Thank you for following. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow my YouTube channel.